Are we looking at a housing bubble burst? Bubble-like property prices are fanning fears of a new crash, as if economic policymakers worldwide didn't have enough to worry about in the wake of an ongoing war. Before we move forward, let's understand the fundamentals of the housing bubble. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. A housing bubble occurs when the prices of real estate or housing rise at an increasing rate because of increased demand and lack of adequate supply. This may also occur when there is emotional buying in the markets. And once this rise in price is realised by the market players, the bubble tends to rise further as more buyers enter the market. However, investors and speculators are aware that the prices would eventually come down as the property market gets overvalued. And thus, this phenomenon was given the name of a bubble, as it is eventually expected to burst. According to the International Monetary Fund, housing bubbles can exist for years and continue to grow. Let's take a look at the current global scenario in light of an ongoing war and rising interest rates. Currently, the demand for homes is waning, prices are dropping, and in some cases major losses are already taking place due to the strong monetary policy tightening cycle that has been put in place for decades. According to a recent analysis by Bloomberg Economics, the price to rent and home price to income ratios in 19 Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development countries are greater now than before the 2008 financial crisis, which is a sign that prices have moved away from fundamentals. According to the report, the housing markets in Canada, Australia, New Zealand and the Czech Republic are among the world's most volatile and are particularly susceptible to price declines. In the Eurozone, Portugal in particular is vulnerable, while Austria, Germany and the Netherlands also show bubble signs. To sum it up, even though a housing crisis is not guaranteed, as a result it is clear that it is vulnerable when central banks hike interest rates and mortgage repayments rise. That adds further pressure to a world economy that is already contracting and on the verge of a recession. Thank you for joining us. If you do like this information, let us know by liking, sharing, commenting on the video below, subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon, you'll be notified of the most recent videos from Kalkine. But for more articles, do head to the website, it's kalkinemedia.com. My name's Sage for Kalkine Media.